So I ain't gonna lie, everybody always asks how I do my hair like this, you know what I'm saying, or how do I keep it like this. And I'm back, you know what I'm saying. What I do, I don't really do too much. All I really do is just comb it, get up in the morning, and put some grease on it. So yeah, that's usually what I do. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe before we get into the video. And yeah, you heard me. Let's get it, man. So first, what I do, I get my comb. Now I got a lot of hair on it from combing it. I'll take that out first. You heard me? Take this ponytail out. I don't really do too much, like I said. So this is the grease right here. Argan, y'all probably can't see that. Let me see. Put this in focus. I don't know, but y'all can see that. That's usually what I use. So what I do is comb it out first, so it could, you know what I'm saying, shake it, you know what I'm saying. And plus it's winter, so I ain't gonna lie, that's definitely one of the reasons. So what you want to do is comb one side first, you know what I'm saying, make sure it's like, you know, real neat here. Then you want to get this grease a tad bit, not too much, but to keep it moist, you know what I'm saying, because I'm black. So you want to do that, you know what I'm saying, keep it goddamn moist, keep that one side moist. So yeah, we did that. Do that side. Like I said, not too long, short, real quick video. But it's winter, so it's definitely gonna probably stay like this for a while until I get it braided. But yeah, do the same thing. Take a little dip, you know what I'm saying. Put it on the side like this. Back, you can do most. You want to grip it up a little bit here, so it's real moist. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Sometimes I just put it to the back, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's usually what I do, you know what I'm saying. As an African American, you know what I'm saying, with hair like this, you gotta keep it wealthy, because people gonna hate you. People gonna hate people, I don't know what I'm saying. People gonna hate you. But that's all you gotta really do. And I don't know how many minutes this was, but yeah, I do that. But I keep it in a ponytail throughout the day, you know, just because the camera right there, when I'm looking at, they need to make the camera look bigger in the front, because I keep looking at this because this is the whole screen, so I'm looking at myself, but I need to look there. But yeah, I'm gonna take this comb out. But yeah, I'm gonna grow my hair for like, dang, what is that? I'm gonna grow my hair out for like a while. And I mean a while, probably never. Shoot, put it right back in a ponytail. I might do like styles videos on how I do like some styles. Cause they got the joint where you can go up here like that. I don't know, but it makes it look like your hair long. I actually do that too. I'm gonna do that in the next video. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all some styles that I do. Take it from the top, you know what I'm saying. Put it in a ponytail. You heard, you did. You heard, you did. Just like that. You heard, you did. And then what I do, I'll take this and put it in a ponytail too. So okay, so second ponytail. I just get the back, you know what I'm saying, since it's already moist. I don't really do too much. I don't like to put too many products on it. I guess you could say your boy is natural. I guess you could say that. I don't know. Well, I do that, and then I got like 2 of these. It makes the hair look longer too. You know, shake it out a little bit, you heard. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment below what you thought of this video. You see I got the blurred background. I'm gonna start doing this on here. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, and next video will be at you probably tomorrow. I don't know, but yeah, go ahead and subscribe. I say Balenciaga's out the box, my niggas, you the head out the call. Where's he going? We don't know.